Let's talk about pushing your body versus and listening to your body. Hi, I'm Angel, by the way. I'm out here working on my project and I'm a little bit beat. I've been putting skin on my 8 Dragons room. That's what this is. And as I'm sitting there listening to my body, I'm reminded of the constant dance, really, between, like, if you just give in to the body, if I just say, oh, I don't feel good, especially as a person who has a lot of autoimmune issues, I could easily do a lot less. And actually, then I lose strength. So there's this continual dance between listening to the body and acknowledging the body and respecting the boundaries and limits of the body and giving the body what it needs, and also letting the body know that I have expectations and that that we will be doing work and not giving in to that mindset. I was just grappling as I was dealing with this and feeling some soreness from, I got to go kayaking yesterday, and I was telling myself a terrible story about how I probably can't kayak anymore. And then that expanded to maybe I can't snowboard anymore. And it's not the first time I've told myself that story. And the thing is, I know it's a story a lot of people tell themselves. Maybe it's a story you tell yourself, but it's one of those things that's true if you believe it's true and not true if you don't believe it's true. It's that simple. And so many things in life are that way, right? This I've built myself. Most people don't think they could do it, and that's true. Most people can't do it. And if I, thought of all the reasons I couldn't do it, then I wouldn't be able to do it either. And instead, I just do it. Look, I got some shredded paper here that I'm making papercrete, and just kind of making it up as I go along. I did, back there you see the Head Hutt, I did study and hear the foo dog, where I've tried out a lot of things and learned, but it takes that dance, that balance between believing I can, not taking no for an answer, and also slowing down sometimes, listening to the body, respecting that I need to take a break more often than I tend to want to. Otherwise, I pay a price that's increasingly too high. So let me know if you can relate, if I'm making any sense around here. Check out the description if you want to check out my book about the Head Hutt. You can see it, my glasses there. And as always, stay free, be good to yourself. Thanks for being you. Thanks for letting me be me. Ciao for now.